things that may affect confidentiality, integrity, and availability only. Okay? Kung makikita dyan na risk na, we could be sued because there is no lactation room. That's a health and safety risk. Diba? It's equally important, but it's not supposed to be here. Kasi CIA lang tayo dito. Importante yun. Health and safety. May mga patas tayo para dun eh. Kaya lang, hindi para dito. Okay? Since risks are potential events, it is written using certain keywords. May not, possibly, could, no? Sa Tagalog, pwedeng mangyari, etc. Risks are different from problems. Now, what will happen if we use problems as risks? Okay? What will happen? The classical risk equation is very easy to remember, RIP. Risk is the product of impact multiplied by probability. Ano yung probability? The chance of something happening. Tama? What's the probability of a problem? 100%. Bakit? Existing eh. Diba? A problem is existing, nandiyan eh. Hindi nakaharap mo na yan eh. So what will happen if you use problems as risk? It will mess up the output of the risk assessment. Bakit? Eh laging 100% yung probability nun eh. It will always end up on top of your list. Nandun siya lagi sa ibabaw. So uunahin mo siyang i-address. No? Akala mo you are managing risk, but you are solving problems. Magkaiba yun. No? Because problems are there. Gaano siya magkaiba? Firefighting, fire prevention. Problem solving is firefighting. Nandiyan eh. Risk management is fire prevention. Doon tayo. Doon tayo sa pwede pa natin gawa ng para. I'm not saying that problem solving is not important. It is very important. Kaya lang, it's a different discipline. Now, I have seen many risk registers na ang laman problems. Now, based on the other learned, the more learned professionals, no? Ang sabi nila, people tend to write problems on the risk register because no one is asking them, ano ba yung problems ninyo? They see the risk register as a chance for them to air their grievance, to write their problems. So yun yung nagiging output. Doon sinusulat yung problem, which is not right. It's supposed to be on a separate list. All right. Examples of information security risks. Personally identifiable information may be accessed by unauthorized individuals. Take note yung keyword na may. Pwedeng ma-access ng mga taong hindi karapat-dapat. Right? There is a possibility that the server could be hacked. Uncertainty. Diba? Okay? The established service level agreement of 99.99% may not be met. There could be errors in the payroll. Tandaan ninyo, information security risk answers the question, what could go wrong with the information and the other assets? Ano ang pwedeng mangyaring hindi maganda doon sa mga nilagay ninyong information assets? Okay? Now, risks, laging may kasama yan. Yung kasama niya yung vulnerabilities or weakness. Okay? Ano naman yung vulnerability? These are definite, inherent, and existing conditions of the field offices. Existing, inherent, and definite conditions of the field offices. Example, our door has no lock. Diba? That's a weakness. That's existing. That's inherent. Yun yung weakness mo. Wala, may pintuan kami, kaya lang hindi na isasara eh. Okay? Alright? vulnerabilities or weaknesses may allow the risks to happen. Now, kung yung pintuan mo hindi nasasara, ano ang potential risk mo doon? Ano risk mo doon? Pwede kaming manakaw. Yun yung risk mo. Uncertainty. Uncertain pa rin yun. Hindi naman matik na pag hindi mo nalala, kinanakawa ko. Siyempre, magdadalawang isip pa rin naman yung nanakaw. Baka may aso kayo sa loob. Wala ka, okay, wala ka ng pera. May pera pa ito. Okay? Tandaan natin, no? Vulnerabilities or weaknesses may allow the risk to affect the asset and cause harm. What are examples of weaknesses? Lack of physical protection. Kaya sinabi natin ngayon. Lack of physical protection. Lack of logical protection. When we say logical, passwords on the files. Okay? Incomplete user acceptance testing. No? Nag-go live tayo kagad, hindi naman nag-UAT. Lack of manpower. Lack of formal policy. Improper cabling. Take note, guys, na yung vulnerabilities, it is always described in a negative light. Bakit? Weakness na. But improper, lack of, incomplete, inappropriate, no? It's always described in a negative light. Sometimes in other framework, ang tawag sa vulnerabilities are also called causes. Okay? Risks and vulnerabilities are best when they are paired. Information assets may have multiple vulnerabilities and risks pairing. Hindi 1:1 ang relationship niya. The relationship is 1:many. Look at the asset and then think, ano yung pwede mangyari sa assets? Maraming pwede mangyari. Right? Vulnerabilities answer the question, how can the risk happen? Paano mangyayari yung risk? Paano tayo mananakawan? Kaya walang lock yung pinto. Di ba? Paano tayo mahahack? Hindi tayo nag-update ng patch. Yung patch ng firewall natin last year na. Natawa si Perch, baka ganun yung firewall nila Perch. Okay, sample. No? Ano yung weakness? The program or the application has a complicated user interface. Complicated interface, di mo maintindihan kung ano yung hinihinging response. Now, what's the risk there? User error may happen. Di alam nung user kung ano ba yung input ko dito, birthday ba, number, you know, do I put in 01, do I put in January? I don't know, complicated, no? Okay? Another, no? Inadequate control of software distribution. If there's a vulnerability, what's the risk? Well, software piracy may happen. Bakit? Yung wala kang control. Diba? 10 lang pala yung license mo, 12 na yung install. Okay? Inadequate education of staff on malicious software. Malicious software could attack the computers in the network. Paborito ko yung number 5. Lack of communication between HR and IT in regards to resigned employees. Ano yung risk doon? Malicious destruction of data due to lack of proper access control. Na-terminate na pala, may access pa. May access pa. Okay? May naging kliyente ko, kinuwento ko doon sa mga internal auditors. Nalaman lang nila na pinapasahod nila is resigned employee na kasi tumawag yung nanay sa HR. Kulang po yung sweldo ng anak ko. Resigned na po yung anak nyo 6 months ago. Hindi sumasahod pa ako eh. Kaya ako tumawag kasi kulang. Yung mabait yung kung ATM nasa nanay, umangal yung nanay kasi kamali ng computation. Tama kung di tumawag yung nanay, pinapasahod pa rin nila. Lack of communication. Lack of authentication mechanism, social engineering may happen. Right? You have no BCP. Information could be lost due to fire, flooding, earthquake. Okay? See? Quick verbal exercise. Laptop. What could go wrong with the laptop? Pwede siya mawala. What's the weakness para mawala yung laptop? Careless. User error. No? Lack of physical protection policy. Diba? Lack of physical protection policy. Alright? What could happen to the laboratory report? Laboratory. I'm sure nagkapag-medical exam kayo. Ano pwede mangyari sa laboratory report? Nagkamali yung result. No? No? Yung parang reports na ibigay sa'yo. Diba? Ano mo, mas meron ka STD. Si Birds pala, inawi ka na asawa mo.
Gusto na lang sir, positive
O kaya positive, buntis ko. Diba? Those are the things that go, how can it happen? Paano mangyayari yung nagkamali? There is no checking. No? Lack of review mechanism, lack of verification mechanism. Kung happen to this, yes, ang dami nating reports. Diba? Are we validating the reports? But we submit it. And they make business decisions from those reports. Okay? What could go wrong with the service provider? Internet service provider. Downtime, outage, lack of bandwidth. Okay? Sige. Oh, next part. Vulnerability at saka risk. Instructions. Pikit kayo. Reflect on the existing conditions of your field offices. Ano ba meron kami doon? No? Meron ba mga daga sa field office? May mga daga ba ron?
Yes, siya.
Kasi kanya na field office ang mga daga.
Yes, sir. So, kailangan makita ko yun.
Hindi, depende naman sa daga kung black o brown.
Wala naman daga pero
Ay,
nawawala
bakit
sila
may daga?
pagkain.
Walang daga pero nawawala yung pagkain. Iba yun.
Marunong ka
Alright? So close your eyes and then reflect on the existing conditions in your business unit that may affect the assets that you have listed down. Write down the vulnerabilities and risks. Guys, one vulnerability, one risk, one row. Huwag niyo pagsasama-samahin lahat ng risk sa isang cell. Bakit? Kasi iba-iba ang value niyan mamaya. Right? So pwede kayo mag-insert ng rows, no? For each vulnerability and risk. Okay? O sige, hanggang 315.
Sir,
Oh.
nabigay po sila dyan ng 3 assets per type. Do they need to identify all the use of each?
Oh, yeah.
Or pwedeng bawat ano muna, bawat isang type?
Depends. Basta kung ano yung magkakasya hanggang 315.
So yung 28 na assets, good luck.
28? Yung gumawa ng 28?
Meron yung nag-32 ito.
Quiet lang, quiet.
Yung apat.
Ay, meron yung 71.
Then, doble lang yun, ano?
Ay, daw.
Control A, Shift, Delete.
Unahin natin. Bigyan tayo ng pinaka-high impact na
Revans. DSP rin. Yes po, kasama na dyan, sir.
siguro yun na lang.
Ibang dalawa.
Yung outside.
Uminit, ano?
Yes. Hindi,